Hey guys, this is Ben from Level Cut Law. Today we're going to talk about deed of separation. What is a deed of separation? It is a legal document. Well, it's an agreement, a contract. It's a legal document between a husband and wife who have already made the decision to divorce. And they want to set out the terms relating to the divorce. Well, one of the important things that is included in a deed of separation is the date when the parties have separated, when they have lived apart. Because most of the time people want to divorce based on 3 years separation, even though they may do it for other reasons. Now, what's the benefit of a deed of separation? Well, it prevents allegations of adultery because you have an agreement saying that husband and wife live apart. There's also another clause saying neither of them shall molest means disturb, molest, annoy, or in any way interfere with the other. So once they are separated and the husband gets a new girlfriend while married, and the wife gets a new boyfriend while still married, none of them can, do a divorce based on adultery. So, common issues that are dealt with in a deed of separation include matrimonial home, the family home. How is it dealt with before the divorce? Do the parties continue paying the mortgage equally, or one of them pays? And what happens after the divorce? Is the matrimonial home transferred to the husband, to the wife? Is the CPF money going to be refunded? Or is the matrimonial home going to be sold and the net proceeds of the sale split between the parties equally or in different percentages? These are matters that are included in the deed of separation. Another common matter that is included in a deed of separation would be children. Custody, care, and control of the children. Most couples would have custody of both children, but it's usually the mother who has care and control over the children. Care and control means the children live with the mother. Or there are exceptions, but most of the time, care and control is with the mother. And there should also be a clause dealing with access to the children by the father. Okay, I mean, after the divorce or even before the divorce, how often the father is going to be able to see his children? Once a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and one weekend. Is he allowed to bring them overseas? Blah blah. The agreement should also deal with joint accounts. Joint accounts where the husband and wife have contributed monies in the accounts. How is it going to split upon divorce? 50-50, or whoever puts in more gets more. Yeah, these are matters that should be dealt with. Another important clause would be the clause relating to commencement of the divorce. It is common to state that after the parties, after separation for a period of 3 years, the 3 years plus 1 day, they will commence divorce proceedings, and they will consent to all the division of matrimonial assets stated in the deed of separation, and the husband or the wife, the parties, consent to the divorce being proceeded on 3 years separation. Now, what's the cost for a deed of separation? Well, it costs between different law firms charge differently. You've got to Google. Market rates range from $700 all the way to $2,000, $3,000. If it's too expensive, you can even do it yourself. Just Google online, find a template. As with most things, you don't need a lawyer to do a deed of separation, but if you mangle it up, you do the wrong clauses, you don't get legal advice, you take a standard template, good luck to you. So that's all I have to say today about deed of separation. Thanks for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe.